Good morning, everybody. It's Robin from Roaming with Rover. We've got a box. This box today, oh, here we go. This box is from Mary Maxim. Mary Maxim. Don't know what's in it. I'm sure I put it in order, obviously, but I'm not sure what's in this. I have untaped the top of the box, but I have not looked in here, so let's see what we got today. Mary Maxim unboxing. So much that comes in bags anymore. It's unusual to get a box. Okay, we have shipping list, catalog. Oh, I was just listening to one of the other ladies on YouTube, and she was telling me about this Lion brand yarn catalog, and it has in it all the different yarns with all the different colors, all of the Lion brand collection that Mary Maxim carries. What a cool, ooh, and then there's some pattern ideas. Ooh, look at that pretty sweater. Like I need more pattern ideas. But that's cool. I'm going to be looking through that. Then all the little sale stuff they always send you. That'll be recycled. So let's see what we got in here. It's a small box. Okay. Looks like I got a kit. I don't remember getting a kit, but apparently I did. This is oh, that's pretty yarn. Look at that. Oh, I know what this is. This was a yarn, a sock yarn mystery bag. That's funny, it doesn't say that on here, but that's what it is. It's a sock yarn mystery bag, and it said it had enough in it to make at least 3 pairs of socks. So that's what we've got. Let's just open this up. Let's see. Oh, this has an odd feel to it. Sock wool Annabelle. Made in Turkey. I usually like the Turkey products, but this is really, I can't even describe. It doesn't feel like yarn. It's quite squishy. It's squishy and plasticky feeling. I don't know about this one. And it's all in Turkey. It's superwash something. Polyamide Sherwool, SCHURWOLLE, superwash. 50 grams. 210 meters, so that's probably in the neighborhood of 215 yards. Doesn't feel that bad on though, on your skin. This is weird. I've never felt yarn like this before. I have I can't describe how it feels, but it doesn't feel weird against your skin. It must just be the squishiness of it. I have no idea. Size 2 crochet hook. Tiny. Okay, so that's interesting. I like the colors though. Those are nice colors. Oh, now this is soft. This is what I think of when I think of a pair of soft, squishy socks. Purple, black, green. Never ever would have picked those, but I think that'll look good in a sock. You can also use it to make a hat. I like that. I like that a lot. This is a super fine one. Machine wash, tumble dry, Premier yarns, wool free brights. Oh, here we go. 93% acrylic, 7% nylon. So that's that squishiness. This is nice. I like this a lot. Oh yeah, that feels just like pulling on a pair of socks. That's nice. Okay, and there should be 2 of those, and there's 2 of those. So I wonder how much that hat takes though. I like that hat. What do you think about that hat? You guys ever make the products that come on these ball bands? I've made a few. That's pretty. That is pretty. I don't know, this stuff is strange. I'm not sure about that. Oh, how many yards is in this? Tumble dry. 235 yards. Okay. And then there's one more here. Oh, another one with that funny feel. This is called Mary Maxim Simply Sock. Superwash wool and nylon sock yarn. Weird. Doesn't feel bad on the skin though. Huh. Again, made in Turkey. 75% superwash wool, 25% nylon, 100 grams, 459 yards. This is pretty. This is really pretty. It's a light gray and the dark gray. I like this a lot. This is going to be very, very skinny too. Yeah, another number one. Which, you know, that's what sock yarn is. Skinny, skinny. I like it. I like that a lot. Let's see if it says how much I got that for. Surprise pack. It was $18.99. And then I had a 20% off coupon. So that's not too bad. And then I got some more sock yarn. These were $2.99 a piece. Sock yarn can be very expensive, so. And there's that same funny feel. That must just be the normal thing for socks. Oh, it's the exact same brand. Is it? Simply Sock. It's the same as the other gray. They have the exact same feel and texture. Number one. Color granite. Made in Turkey. 229 yards. Okay. This is pretty too. This is really pretty. The sock yarn. I was going to do a sock class, as you know. Yeah, this feels a little better than this one. It's not quite, boy, it's pretty similar to, really funny. I was taking that sock class, which I had to put on the back burner just because too much was going on. But a lot of things take the sock yarn. I have seen mittens, I have seen scarves, like I said, that pretty hat. So working with the smaller yarn, and I do want to try working with the smaller yarn. So I think out of this batch, this is my favorite, even though it's got that funny neon green in it. What do you think? Which one of those sock yarns is your favorite? And then there's something else in here that I cannot show you because it is a present for my daughter. And I know she watches my videos. So when I'll have to work on this, and when I get it done, I will show you. It is a Christmas item for her. And she's going to be quite surprised. And I'm surprised that I agreed to do it. So that is my little Mary Maxim haul. Basically, sock yarn. Sock yarn. Sock yarn. Oh, this is so soft. Yeah, I'm definitely making that hat. Anyway, that's it. We'll see you guys later. Stay safe and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Bye-bye.